Hello guys, this video will let you know how to use the basic things to use Microsoft Teams. So the only two things you will use in Microsoft Teams will be chat, the tab chat, and the Teams. The chat means you can chat with anyone in the organization. We have the organization NetCentric. Everybody in the NetCentric is here in the organization, so you all only need to search for his name. So you will click in new chat and type his name like Michael maybe, and just say hello. You don't have to add him and you don't need anything. Just click search for his name and say hello. The chat, you can add a group to chat, but yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to add a chat. You'll use Teams. Teams means I will add a new Teams now. So the only Teams now is remediation. So I will add all of you guys to Teams. So you will find all the teams here. Teams mean you can chat if you, maybe it's be in general, and there will be more channels. The teams itself, you can create a team for yourself. So if you want a private one only with your teams in Canada or something like that, so you click on private chat and name it the one you want and just hit create, and you can add them manually. So it's mean a private team means no one can see it or access to it, only you and the member you will add to this team. So in the remediation teams, I only have these three peoples, Amal and Mirna and Munib. So only this three peoples in this team can see the any text or any file I can share here. So no one can see it or no one can join except if I add them from here, add member, and just add member. I can add anyone in the organization, like maybe I can add anyone, maybe I can and add Nashwa. Just click her name and choose there. I can add any other one like Amal. It's already in the group, so he will let you know it's already in the group. So maybe you'll add anything else, just and that just click add. You will add the channel. You can make a lot of channels in one team. So if you add anyone to this team, all the channel here, he can see all the channel in this team. So if you want anyone to not be a part of this channels, you have to make a new team. Making a new team is so easy from here. You can make a new team, just create team and build it from scratch, something like that. You can here change your status if you want, and you can change your name, upload a picture, remove a picture. The settings here you want to change. Maybe you want to dark it, maybe you want to the lighter one. Here from sorry, wait. I don't know why I don't have notifications, but it should be just right here. It should be here notifications, so I don't know where it's gone. Anyway, maybe I need to restart the application. There will be a notification here, so you want to make sure to change them to the way you like. So adding here, you can see all the files I share. So if I go to the teams in general and I share remediation steps from here, so I just drag and drop here and just click enter. So if I go to the files, Microsoft Teams, I just need to be refreshed. So give it some time. Come on. Okay, no problem. So if anything you will add in this anything in your teams will be added here in files Microsoft Teams. So if you send anything in on all the teams, you will see it here. You can see the files from only a specific channel. So you can see from this channel, you can click the files and you can see the file. You can download it. You can even edit it in Teams. If you make that mistake and you want to edit it, so you can edit it and let the QA or the remediation know what you did. You can download it. You can rename it. You can do anything you want from here. And this is a cool feature for us. You can hit reply, so you can, if anyone want to ask you about a specific file, he will go here and tell you everything he need, and you can reply to us. So that will not make the conversation a lot of posts and comments in the conversation. There we go. The file is here. All the files and all teams will be here. So you have files on OneDrive. Files on OneDrive. These files from the chat. So any file you will send in the chat will be here in OneDrive. So you click Microsoft Teams chat files and you see all the files you sent in chat. In files, you have only 2 gigabytes of storage. So I don't recommend you to send a lot of files in chat. So just make teams. In the team, we as an organization, we bought 1 terabyte of storage, so you can make you can make a lot of teams. So don't worry about the storage. Only in OneDrive the storage. You can access OneDrive storage by going the website of OneDrive and sign in as the user and password I just gave to you. That's all. Just all to know. I don't think anything else. That's all. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye bye.